Yenko social media na yenfa ensema enkoso ewo honom. Safo Kantanka trendy. Safo Kantanka CEO of Kantanka Group of Companies. Kojo Safo Junior na ose Ghana memuno. Ghana memuno amon pese muko entrepreneurship no. And mostly na Ghana entrepreneurship and one is a woto ade na woton. And as manufacture baby. Especially no onone de na can say mo amon pese muko farming mu no. Mo ye lazy papa. Mo ye lazy. Now, I say it's about time that you take responsibility and not rely on government for jobs. I quote, "Youth in farming is a way forward in every small way anyone can. Plant something. Government isn't responsible for it all. No, we the citizens should also take responsibility. The youth of today are honestly lazy. Nobody wants to get his hands dirty." Unquote, he wrote. Kojo Safo Jr. Pasase. Na per farm inputs ema amanfo no mu nkonkodua na so obi akwa rent compound house compound house wo no e na bebe ya cement no akwa wa ho no wa plant bibi wo ho ana say enfa na akwa plant and say you think farming is cheap. Farming, you don't need any capital to start, and one say on nam na wuduedua we comment obi say me farm. In fact me anga some comments me dey am me fa other comments no ento aso. Now Kanto options say, if you have not been through it, you won't understand. Collins Abid say, God bless everyone making it on their own without the help of their fathers. Allow the DBs to talk anyhow. It's not their fault. Ifa Nyuchuku Jeff Obieze say, very lazy. I remember my last day in Kumasi, you see a grown man of about 36 years fighting his mother because they did not keep food for him. Gershon say, of course, people born with silver spoon will see the hustlers as lazy. I don't blame you at all. Saso and Queen Hart say, please, is he the one taking care of Ghanaian youth, and how many Ghanaian youth has he employed in his company, and how much does he pay his workers? Talking anyhow without respect. This country and Kasano, only God will look up to. Arthur Sechise Gideon says, some of us that are building life from scratch, no inheritance, no connections, no backups. May God strengthen us all. Amen. Ni Okai Ganyobi say, your father created wealth for you, so at least respect us who are making life from scratch. If we all had the opportunity you had, some of us will be doing better than you. You are doing as CEO of an automobile company, yet drives another brand of car. If you want to man Nana Agradaa so ababetomo or trendy, na Nana Agradaa your friend Patricia Odro a CEDU, or a founder of Heavyweight Champion International Ministries. Na ono a police for so nimwa ya charging no with doubling scam and as a money doubling scam no. Now you are granting a bill of 150,000 cedis with 3 sureties, 1 to be justified. Nana Agradaa appeared before court 11 in the second case mu na a presided over by Miss Evelyn Asamoah and was ordered to deposit a passport with the court's registry. The court directed the prosecution to file disclosures before the next adjourned date. The matter has been adjourned to November 15. When the matter was called, the defense counsel led by Mr. Paul Esibi Abariga prayed the court to grant his client bail. Mr. Abariga contended that the grant of bail was at the discretion of the court, arguing that the accused had shown remorse during the period of her incarceration. He said the accused person is a Ghanaian married with kids and operates a church with huge congregation, and that she would not interfere with investigations when granted bail. Mama, yenhwe video kakra na fe mefa comment no ento aso.
I know better than when we are seeing more. I swear, I did not want to let you know. I'm not talking about the American. Maybe I mean,
And I copy more ever court honum. Emmanuel Eshan say when God was bored, he created Ghana to entertain him. Ken Opokukusi say, I think the guy saying Mama Pat Bakope should be arrested for unlawful motivation. Dr. Ewan say, I think the guy saying Mama Pat Bakope, okay, also work at the same thing. Nadia Effie Amezo say, this woman and Gasa Judgment Day, she will waste our time, pa. Her cases are too much. Oheneba Sefa Anane Joseph essay, they want to finish Evangelist Agradaa Woto. Carl Guy say, it's the time the law must work, not only this woman, but the politicians too. Togbe essay, why is Namwan also not being held up to the same standard? I don't understand how our laws get to work. That guy is part of the grand fraudulent scheme in Ghana. If you want to in Saum camp and in Saum prison camp, trendy. Na President Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo na wa commission state of the art in Sahum Camp Prison Inmate Skills Acquisition and Performation and Reformation Center, wholly constructed by the Church of Pentecost. Comment Abano A plus Enedikan or say the church is building prisons, the state is building a cathedral. Nyametiasi. Citizen Kafu say, can we leave the country to the Pentecost Church and their leadership now? With how things stand, I'm sure they will even lead us to heaven if we leave the country in their hands. Dennis Adumakosi, indeed, we possess the nations. God bless COP leadership. Doreen said in Nam essay, wholly constructed by the Church of Pentecost. God bless this church. The president, as usual, did what he is best at, commissioning. Echa Adukufo said the Church of Pentecost is really doing well for this country. God bless them for us. Obapa Shasha say some people are building and some are commissioning. We na a commenter and and into yaha and ye day trying to know ABC.